Hey everyone, let's talk about food, passion, and a dash of online magic. The world of cooking has taken a delicious turn, blending technology with culinary arts. Online cooking classes are booming, and it's not hard to see why. People everywhere want to learn new recipes and cooking techniques all from their own kitchens. It's convenient, fun, and incredibly engaging. This trend is a fantastic opportunity for food lovers like you and me. Whether you're looking to master the art of French cuisine or simply want to perfect your pasta-making skills, there's something for everyone. Imagine sharing your favorite recipes and cooking secrets with eager students worldwide. It's a way to spread joy and culinary knowledge across borders. It's a chance to connect, inspire, and earn some extra dough doing what you love. Plus, you get to meet like-minded food enthusiasts from all over the globe. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook with a knack for flavor, there's a place for you in the world of online cooking classes. The possibilities are endless, and the kitchen is your stage. So, are you ready to preheat your passion and cook up a storm online? Let's get started and make every meal an adventure. Let's face it, we could all use a little extra cash. Whether it's for paying bills, saving for a dream vacation, or just having a bit more financial freedom, extra income is always welcome. Online cooking classes offer a fantastic way to spice up your income while doing something you truly enjoy. Imagine sharing your favorite recipes and cooking techniques with eager learners from around the world. It's a great side hustle for those looking to earn extra or even a full-time income for the truly dedicated. You can start small and gradually build your audience, turning your kitchen into a virtual classroom. Think about it. You set your own hours, teach from your own kitchen, and share your culinary wisdom with the world. No more commuting or rigid schedules. You have the flexibility to work when it suits you best. The more you teach, the more you earn. As your skills and reputation grow, so does your potential income. You can even create specialized classes or offer one-on-one coaching for a premium fee. Plus, who doesn't love getting paid to talk about food? Sharing your passion for cooking can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. It's like turning your passion into profit, one delicious recipe at a time. So why not take the leap and start your own online cooking classes today? The world is hungry for your culinary expertise. Now you might be thinking, Jamie, do my cooking skills measure up? Here's the thing, you don't need to be a Michelin star chef to teach online cooking classes. The most important ingredient is your passion for food and your desire to share that passion with others. People connect with authenticity. They want to learn from someone who's genuinely excited about food and eager to share their knowledge. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through in your teaching. Share your stories, your tips, and your love for cooking. It's that genuine enthusiasm that will make your classes truly special. Section 4, From Kitchen to Screen Platforms for Culinary Stardom. Ready to take your cooking show on the road, or rather the web? The digital age has opened up a world of opportunities for aspiring culinary stars. There are tons of platforms to choose from. Each one offers unique features to help you showcase your culinary skills. Websites like Skillshare and Udemy let you upload pre-recorded classes and reach a global audience. These platforms are perfect for structured, in-depth courses. Fancy live interaction? Zoom and Facebook groups offer a more personal touch. You can host live cooking sessions, answer questions in real time, and build a community around your culinary expertise. Social media is your best friend. It's a powerful tool to connect with your audience and keep them engaged. Use Instagram for those mouth-watering food pics and behind-the-scenes peeks. Stories and Reels can give your followers a glimpse into your daily kitchen adventures. Facebook and YouTube are perfect for sharing recipe teasers and promoting your classes. YouTube in particular is great for longer, detailed tutorials. Remember, it's all about finding the right platform for your style and your audience. Analyze your engagement and feedback to see what resonates most. Experiment, have fun, and see what works best for you. The journey from kitchen to screen is an exciting one, full of creativity and connection. Section 5. Get cooking with creativity. Tips for marketing your classes. Alright, let's talk marketing. First things first, create a brand. What's your unique cooking style? Comfort food? Healthy eating? Vegan delights? Once you've got your niche, shout it from the rooftops. Craft catchy class titles that make people hungry to learn. Offer free tasters to entice new students. Collaborate with other food bloggers and social media influencers to spread the word. And remember, word of mouth is golden. Encourage happy students to leave reviews and recommend your classes to their friends. A little bit of hustle goes a long way. Section 6. Building a community recipes for engagement and growth. Creating a thriving online community is key to long-term success. Think of your students as more than just viewers, they're your culinary comrades. Foster interaction by hosting live Quanda sessions, creating private Facebook groups, and encouraging students to share photos of their culinary creations. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create a welcoming space where food lovers can connect and learn from each other. Remember, building a strong community is about more than just teaching. It's about sharing your passion for food and connecting with like-minded individuals.